Hey guys, it's Matt with Meat Church and welcome to my outdoor kitchen. Today I thought I'd show you guys what we do with Thanksgiving leftovers. We've got a leftover turkey breast here that we're gonna make sandwiches with. So no matter what kind of turkey you've got left over, this is what I would do with it. So for this, I'm gonna slice it up real quick. We've got our made with meat slicer, so we're gonna slice it like deli meat, basically. How thick did you want that, sir? A 4? Is that good? Okay. Perfect. Okay, do the rest of that later. Let's get to building a sandwich. So let's take some toasted bread. We're in Texas, so we went with literally the largest bread we could find. Let's put some Duke's mayonnaise on it. You know what? I'm gonna put it on both pieces. Because delicious. All right, I like to put the lettuce on the bottom. Why? Because it acts like a little napkin for all your juices. From there, we're gonna go tomatoes. Let's stick them off the front because this is gonna go on Instagram and we want the clicks. Turkey time. So this is hickory smoked, seasoned with holy cow until it was more tender than your mother's love. Look at that. Bam. Why wouldn't we put a little bacon on there? And we're gonna top it with cheese. I mean 3 pieces of cheese. How epic does that look? Look at that. Now that, my friends, is a Thanksgiving leftover Meat Church style.